Hello, hi, welcome back again to this channel. If it's your first time visiting this channel, this is a travel. Yes, it's a travel and automotive channel, and you're welcome to go back and check all our other videos, and you'll see different videos, automotive videos and travel videos. So this video here we're making because there was someone on the channel who was asking about the location of the transmission dipstick, and I'll show you real quick. It's gonna be a very short video. So if you look, this is a Chevy Express cargo van, Chevy Express cargo van. So if you look at the engine like that, you'll see this is the coolant container, and over here you'll see this is the air system here, and over here you'll see that's the oil cover, engine oil cover. So that's where you put the engine oil of this van. You basically open this, open that, put a funnel in there and put the oil in there. That's where you add the oil. And this is a Chevy Express 1500, so you can see it takes oil, 5W30 oil. Okay, so down here in between the container and the oil, where you put the oil, you'll see these two dipsticks right here. You'll see the yellow dipstick and you'll see this black dipstick. So this, the yellow one here, that's the oil dipstick. So that's why if you want to check your oil levels, you pull that out. And the black one here, which opens like that, that's the transmission dipstick. So you basically pull it out all the way. You can see how long it is because it goes all the way to the transmission. So you pull it out and you check the levels there. And if you need to add transmission fluid, it goes in here. You find a funnel thin enough to fit in here. So that's where the transmission fluid goes. So the oil is at the bottom. It goes all the way to the oil tank. So you can see it's long too. But when adding the oil, you add here, put a funnel in here. So that's the difference. So the black one, this one here, they are long, you can see them. The black one is the oil dipstick. The yellow one, no, the black one is the transmission dipstick. The yellow one is the oil dipstick. That's how you know the difference, so you don't make a mistake. And you can see, if you look from this angle, you'll see the transmission one is thicker than the oil one. So the transmission is at the top, the oil is at the bottom, and again the transmission fluid goes in here, the oil goes up there. So this is just a short video. If you have any question, you can ask me about this van, Chevy Express cargo van, or any GMC trucks, or these GM vehicles. You can ask me in the comment section, and feel free to leave any comment too in the comment section. So basically that's it. It's easy, and it's very easy to tell the difference. So let me know if you have any question, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and also look at our other videos. Okay, hope you have a nice day, and bye. See you soon.